My name is Patience, the Brainy Tutor. Thank you so much for watching once again. Today we are going to be subtracting fractions. To subtract fractions, we need to know these 4 steps. Step number 1, find a common denominator. 2, convert the fractions. Step number 3, subtract the numerators. Step number 4, simplify if necessary. Example 1, subtract 7/9 minus 4/9. As you can see here, the denominators are the same. The denominators are both 9. So we can directly subtract the numerators. 7 and 4 are the numerators. So we are going to go ahead and subtract the numerators. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 or over 9. The resulting fraction will be 3/9 once we subtract the numerators. Now we are going to simplify this fraction, and we can do this by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, 7/9 minus 4/9 is equal to 3/9. 3/9 further simplifies to 1/3, which is our final answer. Example 2, subtract 5/6 minus 1/4. As we mentioned before, the first thing we need to do is find the common denominator, and the least common denominator of 6 and 4 is going to be 12. Once we find the lowest common denominator, we want to convert the fractions so that they can have the same denominator. So now 5/6 is going to become 10/12. The reason being that we took 5 and multiplied by 2, and also we took 6 and multiplied that by 2. Because remember, our goal is to find the lowest common denominator of 12. 1/4 is going to become 3/12. Why? We took 4 and multiplied it by 3, and we took 1 and multiplied it by 3 to have our lowest common denominator of 12. So 5/6 has become 10/12. 1/4 has now become 3/12. Next thing we do is subtract the numerators. So our new fraction now is going to be 10/12 minus 3/12. When we subtract the numerators, we're going to have 7/12. So 5/6 minus 1/4 is equal to 7/12. Example 3, we're going to subtract 4 minus 2/3. The first step here is to rewrite our whole number 4 as a fraction. So 4 is standing on 1. That is our number as a fraction. But we can go ahead and multiply the top number by 3 and multiply the denominator by 3, and that will give us a new fraction of 12/3. The reason we multiply by 3 on both the top and the bottom was so that our 4 can have the same denominator as the 2/3. So now both 4 and 2/3 have the same denominator, because our new fraction is now going to be 12/3, which is the same thing as 4, minus 2 over 3. Now that we have them with the same denominator, we are going to subtract the numerators. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 over 3. Now that we have 10 over 3, we're going to convert this improper fraction back to a mixed number. We do this by taking 10 and dividing it by 3. Because this fraction literally means 10 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. And if we subtract 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer, the new mixed number is 3. The 1 is the remainder, so it's 1 over 3. Therefore, 4 minus 2 over 3 is equal to 3 and 1/3. Example 4. Subtract 3 1/4 minus 1 2/3. First, we need to convert these mixed numbers to improper fraction. So 3 1/4 will become 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 over 3 is a new fraction, improper fraction. Now we're going to find the lowest common denominator. We're going to multiply this side by 3. Whatever we do on bottom, we do on top. We multiply this by 4. Whatever we do on bottom, we do on top. And this is because our lowest common denominator is 12. Now this fraction has become 39 because 13 times 3 is 39 over 12 minus 5 times 4 is 20, 20 over 12. Next, we're going to subtract the numerators. 39 minus 20 will give us 19 over 12. Next, we're going to convert this improper fraction back into a mixed number by doing long division. 19 divided by 12. 12 goes into 19 once. 12 times 1 is 12. What is 19 minus 12? It is 7. Therefore, our final result is 1, remainder 7 over 12. Now that you have learned how to subtract fractions, here's your homework. 7 over 10 minus 3 over 10. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 4. Number 3. 5 minus 2 over 3. And number 4. 4 and 2/5 minus 2 and 3/4. Please practice these at home and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching The Brainy Tutor. My name is Patience and have a great day.